Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a little skincare routine of the steps that I take when my skin is super freaked out. My most sensitive area is definitely my cheeks. They always have a lot of redness, especially after I've put it through a lot. So I've been traveling a bunch, and when I do that I tend to come back and then I like overdo it on products, because as a beauty YouTuber I kind of have a lot of products to choose from and test out, and my thing is I'm a little excessive in my over exfoliation, and it's something that I've been learning that obviously does not do well. Up here it will be nice and beautiful and looking very glossy and dewy, and then right in my cheeks it's just like not the same skin. My cheeks are ultra sensitive, so they tend to get a little red and freaked out, and it's like where I break out the most. I don't have any breakout right now currently, but we do have some redness. One of my favorite lines to use actually for reducing redness to help calm sensitive skin is the DR.JART Cicapair line. The camo drops have always been my go-to to really help camouflage the redness, and I'm so excited that they actually reached out to me to sponsor a video. So I'm gonna take you through some of their new products that they came out with that are really gonna help combat redness, any kind of sensitivity that your skin might be going through, rosacea, eczema. Their Cicapair range is going to be beautiful for you, like chef's kiss beautiful for you. I'm gonna take you through the entire routine from when I wash my face and so forth. So let's, you guessed it, get into it. So usually I like to start out with something very gentle. I know this is gonna be a very beautiful angle. I like to use something very gentle like this. I don't think that this on its own does a really beautiful job of clearing everything, so you definitely have to double cleanse, but I have no makeup. So I'm just gonna go ahead and a few pumps of that. This guy's always low. So after I cleanse my skin, like I said, with a gentle cleanser, something very mild, pH balance for sure, I always like to tone my face. So I'm going to be using actually the Cicapair Tiger Grass Calming Mist. This is one of their newer products from the line, and I usually actually have this in my gym bag because right after I get out, my skin is bright red. I like to do hot yoga, so it's just like freaking insane. And it's such a fine baby mist. It has this really beautiful, natural, yummy, spa-like feel. So I really love this, and I feel that it really helps with the redness, like I'm saying. So the next step after the toner, what I like to do is use a serum. So instead of just soothing, now we're actually gonna put in some yummy ingredients that are also gonna help to repair it, because if your skin is feeling very sensitive, obviously there's been some kind of aggressor, something that it's maybe not used to that is causing flare-ups. So we just want to not only calm but also repair any damage that has been done. So what I really love is this guy. So this is the Cicapair Tiger Grass Serum. If you didn't know, DR.JART is actually a Korean-based skincare brand, and I love Korean skincare. I feel like they're so innovative, they're so ahead of the game. It's very competitive in Korea, so they really produce some like top-notch formulations, and it is the first time that I've heard of tiger grass, which is this Centella asiatica. I think I'm pronouncing that so wrong, but I will leave it here so you guys know what I'm talking about at home. So basically Centella is this kind of grass that tigers will roll on to heal their skin. Like if they have any wounds, they would roll in this grass, and that is where tiger grass kind of came about. So I'm like, if it can heal a freaking tiger, and it's like so instinctive and natural for them to do that, I'm like, I just love that they added into the skincare, and I've really noticed a difference. I've been using Centella for a really long time, especially if you go back to some of my first videos, you can see how broken out my skin was because I would put it through so much. I was trying to clear my acne and everything. At the end of the day, I feel like it just needed something like tiger grass to just help heal and soothe my skin at the same time. So this is such a powerful little serum that I have been really loving. It's made with a lot of innovative and powerful ingredients like JART Balm, which is going to really help strengthen your skin's barrier, which is what you really want to be doing every day, especially if you've been putting it through a lot. It's also going to provide a nice protective barrier against any other aggressors. And then the Centella and the Cicabond are also going to help repair. So those are the ingredients that you can find in this Cicapair line, but you're going to get those ingredients in this serum at such a nice concentrated level that's going to just seep into your skin, and you are going to definitely notice a difference because, like I said, my cheeks are the most sensitive, more sensitive than any Pisces I know. And then I just pat out. Like, look at the difference already in my skin. Following the serum, I like to just keep everything super duper simple. Obviously, if you have sensitive skin, you want to streamline any kind of skincare routine because you don't want to further aggravate the skin. So I'm going to be using, again, from the DR.JART line, this is the Cicapair Tiger Grass Cream. This one has like a little hint of green to it just to like neutralize. It's, you know, it's a little bit richer, it's a little thicker, and I personally really love it because when my skin is freaking out, I feel like it tends to go more dry and like crusty, and like it just needs some like extra loving as far as like rich creams go. So I really personally love this, and again, it has that nice like herby spa kind of scent to it, so I love it. And actually, if you guys just want to try it out, I know if you have sensitive skin, it's always super scary of like what your skin is going to agree with, and you don't want to like go too crazy buying everything full size, but there's actually a little kit that they sell at Sephora that I feel like is worth kind of picking up and trying because there's like a pretty good size of the serum, the spray, the cream, the camo drops. You can really try them all and see how it works for you. It's my recommendation. But for me personally, I would say my top recommendations are these two. And again, if you like experience that redness on the fly, this one might be great to just kind of like carry with you, gym bag, airplane, that kind of thing, to just calm and soothe your skin on the go. I really believe in this product, and that's why I decided to partner with them. You guys know I don't take any sponsorships that I don't truly love and I've been using. So those are all my recommendations. You can get everything at Sephora, but like I said, they do have that specific kit that I think is honestly great for the value. I think it's like $42 or something like that, and you get to try a little bit of everything from this line. So after moisturizer, we're going to use some SPF. So DR.JART also has a color correcting treatment. I feel like my skin is already pretty neutral, but I just want to show you this product as well because it's super cool and it has SPF, so might as well just go ahead and continue this whole DR.JART extravaganza. This one neutralizes redness and protects skin, but you can see it's kind of green in tint, and so we just put this on our cheeks. It starts to blend out into like a beigey color and not green, and it really helps to, like I said, neutralize the redness and kind of conceal some of the redness. So I feel like it does kind of reduce it. And then moving on to like makeup, use a bit of this. This is my Bobbi Brown Corrector, and I just like to brighten up under here as well, just to kind of like even it out. And then I always like to brush my brows. I'm using a little bit of Glossier Boy Brow. And then with any blemishes that I have around here, mainly like old acne scars and stuff, I just give myself a little nudge. So we just kind of make those look like beauty marks. Then I like to use a little bit of the Glossier brow, what is this thing called again? Brow flick. Just to fill in and so they can steal all of the attention and make the brows look really, really good today. We do some light mascara. I'm going to use this one by Lancome. It's the Monsieur Big. And I like to kind of fan it out a bit. And dress up the eyes, so we draw attention to the eyes always. It's the windows to our soul. Just some quick light. Ooh, I'm done. Wow, you guys, I'm like kind of shook. This is my first highlighter I think I've ever finished that's like in stick form like this. That is how much I love this highlighter. So we're just gonna make our skin look very dewy and healthy since it's repairing itself. And then the final little touch for this light makeup look is, I love this chapstick. This is called Hello Bordeaux, and this is by the brand Chapstick. The best lip color, in my opinion. It just like doesn't look like you tried, but makes them look juicy. Like, all I want to do is look healthy and vibrant and good. So hopefully my skin acknowledges the effort that I've been trying to put into her and kind of gives me what I want. Yes, that is the little routine. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed hearing a little bit more about the Cicapair line. Like I said, that whole range can be found at Sephora. I will also have them linked in the description like I always do, along with all of the other products that I used in this video. And again, thank you so much to DR.JART for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys especially for liking, subscribing, and watching.